Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Paloma here, back again with another video. So as you can see from today's title, I'm taking you guys apartment hunting with me. I'm gonna go look at a few apartments and I might go look at some tomorrow, so it might be a two-part video. But yeah, I want to show you guys the apartments I'm gonna be looking at, and hopefully I find the one I like and the one that's gonna be in my budget and stuff. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's go look at these apartments. Peace.
And that's pretty much the differences with a lot of the apartment homes that we have. So even with the 2 bedrooms, that's the only differences with that. The bedroom size would be the exact same size. Okay. Bathroom, which would be
I'm gonna grab a snack. Guys, so that was the apartment number 1. They couldn't show me a 2-bedroom because they didn't have any 2 bedrooms available to show, and that's what I'm looking for. But it was really nice. The flooring, like the kitchen, everything was super nice. So now I'm gonna go see another apartment because, you know, I can't just choose the first one I see. But yeah, now we're gonna go see the next one, so let's go.
We're gonna have a lot more questions because I know over there you have to pay for parking.
Yeah.
So as you can see, this is the first floor, completely renovated unit. Now on this property,
This is nice.
I've been here since June, and I've seen 3 different styles. I've seen the renovated one, which is this one. But then I've also seen
Closet, pretty big.
but it's all still renovated. Now the other one that I've seen the most of would be the black pepper countertop with the black appliances, and then the light wood cabinets would be a little bit darker than this.
Laundry room.
Everybody loves to renovate.
Yeah.
It's the toughest one to get.
Yeah. I know that's tough because you look at the renovation.
This apartment is so freaking cute. Like, I love it. Guys, don't mind. I don't have makeup on today. But this apartment is so nice. Like, so beautiful. And I'll have my own bathroom. And my bedroom's right here. So, yeah. I'm going to go look at some more apartments. And hopefully, this one's a go. Because I really like this one. And this one's actually renovated. As you can see, like, it's fully furnished. Because that's how they show it. But hopefully this is gonna be the one, because this one's really nice. But let's go look at some more apartments.
I really like cakes. This is gonna be a big apartment. Yeah, this is real big. How you feel about the carpet?
This is a bathroom. Wow, this bedroom though. Whoa, this closet? Bitch. Wow. This is her, like, the maintenance. Yeah.
foosball, we got a little work table over here, we got 3 Mac computers, a printer, a coffee machine, and of course, we have lots more here. But saltwater lap pool is actually open year-round, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily.
They got the grills here.
Wednesday at 7 o'clock is a yoga class that happens.
Oh, really?
Residents.
That's so cool.
Do you get that?
No.
We're very lucky if we get a microwave with us.
Oh, and all of our apartments do come with washer and dryer.
This is so nice. Look at this gym.
We've got our equipment room, which has a good bit of equipment, even a stain machine for there.
Is there a sauna in here?
No, no sound. Nice try.
Guys, these apartments are so freaking nice. Like, I'm so freaking obsessed. Like, everything's so beautiful. Like, I want to live in all of these apartments, but hopefully I get to choose a really, really nice one, and you guys will see the empty apartment tour when I actually get to choose. So I think I'm gonna go look at a few more, but yeah, let's go. This one's really, 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 really nice. I love it.
Housekeeper is physically right here. If you just like exactly like that one, take a Sharpie, write your parking number, put your laundry and detergent, hand it over. You see the sign? She'll have it done at 5.
Wow, complimentary laundry service. I like that. I love this kitchen.
Bring up in the kitchen and the bathroom. 42-inch cabinets.
Wow, washer and dryer.
2 kitchen sinks with this actual sprayer.
Oh my god, I love this one.
Oh, I'm glad you like these. I'm looking forward to being the little guy.
You see the little desk? You can put a
Fridge.
laptop in a desktop.
Yeah. Let me see the water
When you look at it,
Water pressure is good.
I want to say there is like at least 6 closets if you count the pantry because let me do the math. There's a kitchen pantry.
There's a bathroom. Oh, this is a bedroom. Wow, the lighting in here. What? The lighting in here is fucking awesome. I look so crusty though, but wow, look at this bathroom. Super nice. Wow, the lighting, look at the windows. And the closet. What? Look at this. Double doors. Let me see outside. Oh, this is cute too. What is this? Oh shoot, another closet outside. Nice.
It's not a bad view at all, you know, because
There's a closet outside. I guess this is a master. Or I don't know. But this is another bedroom, good view. The closet, look at the closet space, like what? This is like perfect. Another closet right here. Oh no, that's the electrical stuff. Tiny closet. And then the bath. Ooh, this bathroom's so nice. Closet. Guys, all these apartments are so beautiful, and I literally like have to decide I'm not in a rush yet because I'm still looking around. I'll probably look at a few more apartments, but all these apartments are so freaking beautiful and I can't wait to move into one of them. And yeah, you guys will see the final apartment tour. It's obviously gonna be an empty apartment tour, but you guys will see that when it's up and ready. So how exciting. Like, look at this bathroom. Huge mirror. Yeah. Like, look at the countertop, so beautiful. There's so much space in here. You know I'm gonna be in this bathroom all the time because I do my makeup all the time. But...
smaller than the other one.
So yeah, guys, that concludes the apartments. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like I said, you guys will see the empty apartment tour coming soon.